Welcome back to Power Lunch, everybody. Airbus stock is higher today following its results. Profit did fall. Revenue, however, was higher. But the company previously warned about results given supply chain issues. Joining us now is Guillaume Faury. He's Airbus's CEO, along with our own Phil LeBeau. Phil.
Tyler, thank you very much. Guillaume, thank you for joining us fresh from the analyst call. I'm curious, during the call, I'm listening to it, and there were a number of questions from analysts about the target you have for production aircraft deliveries this year and whether or not you can hit them given the challenges in the supply chain. How do you convince investors that you will be able to hit this target that you previously brought down your guidance for several weeks ago?
So first, looking at the track record of what we did last year. Last year, we had a guidance for 720 planes. We ended up with 735 in spite of the backloading that we had by the end of last year. Now, this year, we're facing some short-term challenges with a number of suppliers that was unexpected in Q1. Unfortunately, they're impacting the final assembly line quite late because it's engines, it's landing gears, it's seats. So we have a short-term challenge that we need to overcome. And the guidance that we have changed, that we have modified, going from 800 planes by the end of this year to 770 is something that reflects the best estimate of what we think we can do. And we are, with our suppliers, working to secure their deliveries. We'll see what July delivers, but I think it's an encouraging performance that puts us well on trajectory for this revised guidance.
Guillaume, what's the biggest issue for your suppliers right now? Is it manpower? Is it skilled knowledge that they need in order to increase their production? What's the issue?
Well, actually, it's a diversity of situations. We have the engine makers. They are struggling with metal issues, with hot section parts. So it's availability of parts on time and with the right quantity and the right quality. So that's really a ramp-up challenge in their own supply chain and for both A320 engine manufacturers. When it comes to seats, that's the diversity and the quantity of configurations that they have to manage, facing indeed some labor issues, some labor challenges. So it's a recovery from the COVID-19, where there was a very low level of activity in this part of the supply chain, going now to post-COVID-19 with a lot of demand and a lot of diversity on the configuration. And on the landing gears, again, that's another situation. So I would say diverse situation, case by case, and that's what we need to manage in the aftermath of a situation that was 2 or 3 years ago with supply chain issues coming from availability of raw material, from logistic challenges around the world, labor issues, inflation, and those kind of issues that compounded with each other.
Guillaume, it's Kelly here. And if plane making were an Olympic sport, it's clear that you guys would have the gold medal. You've outpaced Boeing for 5 straight years, if I'm not mistaken, on orders. That was even before their latest woes. So it grates me as an American to see what's been taking place. And I know it's grated you as well because you think it's given a black eye to some extent to the industry. What would you do to fix Boeing's problems if you were its CEO? And do you think kind of taking some of its suppliers back in-house and that sort of thing is the right thing to do here?
Thanks for the question. And, we see ourselves as well as a U.S. company. We're procuring a lot in the U.S. We're also assembling, producing in the U.S. We have final assembly lines for the 220, for the 320, for satellites, for helicopters in the U.S. So we have thousands of employees and hundreds of thousands indirectly. So I would not put it this way, and I will not comment for the challenges that we see at Boeing. We have also our own difficulties to overcome, and that's good enough for me. Thank you.